Alright, y'all. So Halloween is tomorrow, and for that, I got to thinking, let's make it a Halloween classic treat. So we're making popcorn balls. Because there's only a few things of classic Halloween treats. You think of popcorn balls, candied apples. Those are the two that come to my mind. But for this, you need popcorn. Now, we've already popped our popcorn. I did mine on the stove. You could do it in an air popper. You can do it however you want. Just make sure you get the kernels out of it, right? You don't want no kernels in your popcorn balls. Okay, so we got some mini marshmallows. We got some powdered sugar. We got some corn syrup. We got some salt. We got some butter. We also, now you don't have to do this, but I've got some Reese's Pieces here, just for the colors. You could use, black and orange sprinkles, or you could just not do it at all, because, popcorn balls are Halloween enough on their own. So this is a quick, simple recipe, but before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 500 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week and you haven't already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright, so on a low heat, I started melting about 1.5 teaspoons of our butter. We're going to take 1.5 teaspoons of water. We're going to take 1/2 cup of our corn syrup. Give that a cheeky stir. Take just about a healthy pinch of salt. Now we want 3/4 cup of our marshmallows. 1.5 cups of our powdered sugar. Now we're just gonna get this all mixed up and stir regularly. Now I got this on about a medium heat. And now we're just gonna bring this up to a boil. Once this comes up to a boil, turn off the heat, remove it from heat. We're gonna drop in our popcorn and about 1/4 cup of our candy. We're gonna go ahead, give this a good mix, get everything coated in that marshmallow sugary. You know what? Let's go with about 3/4 cup of our candies. Alright, now that this is starting to cool down and set, we need to roll this quick. But a strong key would probably be to lightly grease your hands. And we're just going to take our hands and shape these into balls. About however big you want them. I'm going to put these on a waxed cookie sheet. And I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. Here we have it. I have a few more on another sheet. But our popcorn balls. Now we just gotta let these cool. They're pretty much already cool and ready to eat. So, yeah, they're already cool. I say let these cool, but 5 minutes has gone by and they're already cool. So, if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. I hope you have a wonderful Halloween. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.